Alright, here we are, part 2. After my no oil pressure on my gauge, I had decided to pull all the spark plugs out, disconnect the coil packs, and I pulled the fuse to the fuel pump. And then I rotated it over with the starter a bunch of times, hoping that I would see the gauge move in the truck, but only to realize later on that I'm pretty sure that there's no power going to the gauges when the key is in the start position. So therefore I never would have seen the gauge move while doing that. And of course I ran out of time last night to mess with it anymore. I ended up having to go to work, and I also, after doing all that, I also looked and found that my oil pressure sensor wire was not plugged into the sensor. So I'm really hoping that was the key ticket. So we're gonna start this thing up here and hopefully have pressure, have no coolant leaks, no oil leaks or anything like that, and hopefully I'll be back on the road to progress here. So I guess nothing else to do but try it here. Alright, got the garage door open. And let's see what's gonna happen here. If I can find my key. Okay, here we go. Oh baby, look at that. We've got oil pressure. Definitely got to make sure all the wires are plugged in. It sounds good. Definitely got to have it tuned. But it's running. Got oil pressure. I think I'm on the road to success now. Thank God this works good. I was a little nervous. Got some coolant and stuff burning off from my spill, but I'm excited. Thanks for watching.